Hi, everyone. I'm Chloe. I'm 14 years old. Welcome to Chloe Crazy English. We learn English with slow and fun stories. I hope you enjoy our adventures.
Let's see what's inside Sam's colorful room.
This is my little brother, Sam. He is 10 years old. He loves big ideas.
Oops. I make mistakes sometimes, but I never give up.
This is my dad, David. He loves building things.
He always helps our family.
This is my mom, Sarah. She takes care of everyone. She makes our home feel warm.
This is our happy home. Many fun stories happen here. We can't wait to share them with you. Please like and subscribe. Join our English adventures. See you in the next story.
I need a dog. My life is not complete.
Mom! Can we get a puppy? A puppy? That is a big responsibility.
I can do everything. I am ready.
You forgot your homework yesterday.
That was different. This is a puppy.
Let's try something first. This is your practice pet.
A plant? Plants do not bark.
You are right. But they still need care.
Easy. I will be the best plant dad.
I have never seen a plant wear sunglasses.
Perfect. Captain Leaf is born. Oh no. I forgot him. Taking care of something takes time.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
I am sorry, Captain Leaf. You are growing! Because someone remembered to care. I am becoming responsible.
I think you are. A puppy.
He likes me already.
Yes, he does.
We are only visiting him today.
Go get it, boy! Come on! Wow. Good dog. Good boy. Hey, that is my favorite sock.
He has good taste.
Oh, pets are busy.
Very busy. Now what should we do about this?
You're such a sleepy little friend. Zzz. He needs someone every day.
You've got it just right. He's so soft.
Oh, I almost forgot you, Captain Leaf. A puppy is much harder.
What do you think now?
I am not ready yet. What? I will practice more. I believe in you. Thanks, I'll do my best. We have work to do, partner.
Good boy. You're the best puppy.
Maybe someday, but not today.